Hey you guys, I just wanted to come on here real quick. I was getting a couple messages about wanting to see more Haitian cuisine cooking. So I will definitely try to get those in for you guys because I'm not good at cooking Haitian food myself. So I literally have to stalk my mom to get her to cook something, because usually she'll cook Haitian foods usually on Sundays. So yeah, it's just trying to get her to tell me that she's gonna be cooking beforehand, so then I can get my camera, and so I can record her. Yeah, so I know one person wanted to see red beans and rice, which I think I had mentioned in the oxtail video. And I know how to make the white rice the way my mom makes it, so maybe I could do a video for that. So yeah, if there's anything else that y'all in particular want to see, just message me, and I can try to work that out. So yeah. I think that's about it. So yeah, and anything else outside of cooking, or maybe if you do want to see some other dishes, yeah, just let me know. So I guess that is about it. I will talk to you good people later. All right, peace.